you're funny.
Richard, did you lose to a girl? Did you lose to a girl? Did you lose? Oh. Did you lose to a girl? Richard, did you lose to a girl? I love you, Richard. Ow, Richard. Don't do that. You're not supposed to be able to pick me up. I'm older than you.
I'll come out first.
Richard, I think you lost to a girl. All right, piggyback ride. Piggyback ride. Giddy up, pony.
I'm not sure.
Whoop, whoop. Richard, I think you lost to a girl. I think you lost to a girl. Oh no, oh no. Don't.
I'll be seeing you.